All right, this is a how to take the stock exhaust off a Dr200. I like to take this side panel right here off. Just gives you a little bit more easier access here. You've got a bolt right here. You've got the Allen bolt right here for this side panel. You've got an exhaust flange bolt, and you have another bolt that's directly underneath this. Let's get to it. All right, pro tip for you. This 12 bolt right here just threads directly into the frame. This bolt right here, actually, don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Right there, it's actually a nut on the back of it. Get yourself a 12, go behind the bolt onto the nut, and crack it off. It's gonna be a little hard to break free because as you can see, it has red thread locker on it. So don't be afraid to put a little bit of tension and torque into it because it's gonna be tight. All right, so the last step is this flange bolt right here. Leave this bolt in place until I'm ready to slide the whole exhaust out. Finish taking that out by hand. And just wiggle the exhaust up and down until she comes out entirely. Pro tip for you real quick. If it's really stuck at this flange right here, go ahead and squirt some WD-40 down in there, let it soak up for a little bit. The dirt and everything that gets inside of this right here can cause it to really get stuck. It should come off with minimal effort. If it doesn't come off though after you put WD-40 in there, go ahead and take your two bolts out here for the head pipe. Anytime you take your head pipe bolts out, always apply some anti-seize to them. All right, well that's it, man. Reinstallation is the exact same thing as uninstalling it, just in reverse. Good luck.